5 women are suing Texas over the state's abortion ban. They all allege the ban put their lives at risk and has created confusion and fear among doctors. Those women told their stories Tuesday on the steps of the state capitol in Austin. Our Janet Shamlian was there.
And I needed an abortion to preserve my health, but couldn't get one in Texas.
Anna Zargarian is one of 5 women suing the state of Texas over its abortion ban. She was denied the procedure at 19 weeks after her water broke early. She says putting her at risk of a potentially life-threatening infection. Her doctor said they couldn't perform the abortion, so she had one in Colorado.
I felt like a shell of a human, but I was just like, wrapped up in grief.
The lawsuit was filed on behalf of the women by the Center for Reproductive Rights, an abortion rights advocacy group. Texas is among 12 states with the most restrictive abortion rules. The procedure is banned unless a woman's life is at risk or the fetus has a fatal diagnosis. But physicians say they're fearful, even when they would typically provide an abortion as the standard of care, because of a law that criminalizes performing the procedure. John Siegel helped get Texas's abortion ban passed. He says some doctors are confused about what the law requires.
Texas law does not require for a woman to be at death's door to get involved and actually save that woman.
Today's suit asked the court to clarify medical exceptions like Zargarian's. She hopes to try again.
At this point in my life, it's just really terrifying to think about getting pregnant in Texas again.
Today's suit comes as a Texas federal judge is expected to rule soon on a case challenging the FDA's approval of an abortion drug. That ruling could have an impact on abortion access, even in states, John, where the procedure is legal.
Janet, what was the takeaway from hearing the women tell their stories on Tuesday?
So it was really compelling. All of these women had been through tragic circumstances. All of them were different. And it's just heartbreaking to hear anybody lose a child. But the circumstances were different, and some seemed like they did threaten the life of the mother, others not so much. So the 4 cases are very different, and some are speculating that a couple of them might be dropped from the suit or they could be partitioned out, with the strongest ones going forward.
And what's the response been from the state?
So Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is named in the suit, as is the Texas Medical Board. When he was asked for comment, basically he just reissued the memo that he sent last July, saying that Roe v. Wade being overturned would trigger an automatic abortion ban in Texas, except when the mother's life was in danger. So not much new there. John.
Janet Shamlian in Austin, Texas. Thank you, Janet.